Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send international payments with Monzo step by step so you can safely and quickly send money abroad. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Payments tab and then select Send Money. Next, choose International Payment from the options. Monzo will ask you to enter the recipient's details, including their IBAN or account number, SWIFT or BIC code, and the country they're sending money to. Make sure you have these details correct, as mistakes can delay your payment. After entering the recipient's information, type in the amount you want to send and select the currency. Monzo will show you the exchange rate and any fees before you confirm, so you know exactly how much will arrive on the other side. Once everything looks correct, tap Review Payment. Double-check all the details, then tap Send. Monzo will process the payment securely, and you'll usually get a notification when the transfer is sent. Depending on the bank and country, the money may arrive within a few hours to a couple of business days. And that's it. Sending money internationally with Monzo is simple, secure, and transparent. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Monzo tips and banking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.